In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on Fonts. Then click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to, or just select one of those categories, in my case 3. Finally, just tap on the best font style for you. I will go with Lonely and Bright. Select Download at the bottom, and after a couple of seconds, tap on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one or access previously downloaded fonts, access the same settings. But this time tap on Me section and click on one of your downloaded fonts or your default one. Lastly, click on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!